to my channel. I am suffering with a doozy of a cold, having a difficult time speaking. I'm wearing a sweatshirt because it's freezing out here. I think it's because of me, not because of the weather, because it's gorgeous. Can you see the sky today here in Jersey? It's beautiful. But anyway, I just wanted to get this video up for you guys. I had a really good week. Excuse me. On the Optavia plan. In fact, I'm sitting here now drinking my first meal of the day, which is the caramel macchiato shake. I have absolutely no taste buds, so I can't taste anything right now because of this cold. But anyway, I know why you're here, and let's get right down to exactly what happened this week. Okay guys, so you saw it. I lost a whopping 7.1 pounds this week. What? Are you kidding? In any diet, in any plan, I've never lost that amount of weight in a week. So as you can imagine, I'm ecstatic. The thing that I love about this plan is I don't have to do like any meal prepping. I don't have to spend any time in the kitchen other than cooking my dinner, which I do. It's simple. It's like there's no way to explain how good I feel. The foods that I eat all day have a ton of vitamins and minerals, on which when I was on keto I have been struggling with because I was having a hard time getting in some key nutrients. Now I'm getting them all in and I feel amazing. I'm in a fat burning state. I have no cravings. I'm sleeping good. This cold I got, and I know exactly where I got this stupid cold. I was in the grocery store, and there was a lady, and she was crossing the aisle, and she was sneezing and coughing, and I literally was thinking to myself, I'm gonna walk right through her germs. That's how I got this cold. I don't know. But 7.1 pounds, I can see it in my face. I can see it everywhere else. My clothes are getting looser. So I know 7.1 pounds in the first week is a lot, and I pretty much am mentally prepared not to have that happen all the time. If I can lose 1 to 2 pounds a week, that would be amazing. So I am going to keep going, and I'm not going to give up because I love this. I'm feeling so much better. And it's a no-brainer. I literally throw the 5 or 4, depending on what I want to do that day, in my bag, the 5 little meals, and I go to work, and it's like I don't have to put them in an ice cooler, or I just throw them in a Ziploc, keep them with me, and go to work. How simple is that? So some of you were concerned about the cost. It just depends on the foods you pick and the plan you pick. They're all different prices. But I have to tell you that I spent less this week, technically if you break it down, than I would when I was doing keto, because when I was doing keto I was always at the grocery store looking for avocados, looking for the Kerrygold butter, which is expensive. So technically I'm not meal prepping. I'm not doing anything except for 1 meal a day, and basically my meals that I've cooked for myself have been consisting of 7 ounces of shrimp from a bag, and some fresh veggies, which I bought the bag at Costco, so it was like $14 for a giant bag. It lasted me all week, so 14 bucks for dinner. The veggies I get at a farmer's market is like pennies to the dollar. I also had some chicken during the week, some chicken tenders. I cut it up into bite-sized pieces. I stir-fried it up in a pan with a little bit of olive oil, added some veggies to that. A wedge of Laughing Cow cheese on top, and here comes a bumblebee. And I was able to have a really nice dinner. And those of you concerned whether or not this is not keto, it definitely is a form of keto. It's a very low carb, very low sugar plan. You get your good fats, you get your protein, which is very moderate. You get your, you do get some carbs, but you're under 10, 20, 30, 40. You're under like 60 carbs a day. So anything under 100 is technically considered keto, or should I say fat burning. So it's working for me, guys, and honestly, coming off of keto and transitioning into this is simple. It's cake, because you're already used to not having many cravings and things. So the added vitamins though and the minerals are golden. I couldn't be happier. So anyway, 7.1 pounds down this week. I'm so excited. I'm gonna forge forward, and I will see you in my next video. And I will have my next weigh-in next Saturday. So if you have any questions, leave them below, and I will see you all then. Have a great day and stay focused. Bye, guys.